Carvana went up 10% today, and how you could spot a 1000% trade, all in this video, so make sure to stay. I'm Danny. I look for crazy opportunities on the stock market. I invested in Tesla when it was an $18 stock, and now it's a $400+ stock. So Carvana is this company that actually exploded over the last couple of days. Since the last 5 days, it went up 20%, guys, okay? From 193 to over $230. So what happened? First of all, you obviously had the CPI. It was great, the great rally day. So that was the first 10%, okay? But then something happened here. And what actually happened is Hindenburg happened, okay? Hindenburg, I don't know if you're familiar, but I'm putting you on the map here if you're sleeping under the stone. Hindenburg is actually a company that research frauds, Ponzi schemes, bad accounting, and they are putting out reports and then they are shorting the company, okay? So actually, what they did a couple of weeks ago, here for example a post, is that they actually went on Carvana. They said the accounting was bad, they said there's uncertainties, and so on and so forth. They showed many irregularities in their accounting, in their earnings, and so on. So what happened was the following. If you're looking into that, since that report, I don't remember when the first report came out, but let's assume that it was before January, because they are speaking here on January 2nd on Carvana. So I assume it was before, yeah, so let's say it was somewhere in January, okay? So actually they went out and, obviously you can see what happened to the stock of Carvana. So first of all, it was a great short opportunity, but then Carvana bounced back, because usually that happens, that Carvana comes out then and said like, hey, we actually, everything is great and we're doing fantastic. But Hindenburg research yesterday, and now we are coming to the 1000% trade just today, we actually got a founder note. And in this founder note, the founder of Hindenburg, who's, I think his name is, what was his name? His name is Nate Andreessen. And he actually said he followed all his ideas that he had for this fund, for this great opportunity, and he's closing down. So what happens logically, and for that, guys, listen now very, very carefully. For that, you don't need stock charts. For that, you don't need levels. You just need logical thinking. And this is how I really like to think in my group. If you want to follow us and copy our trades, then check out the link into the description. But what happened then is obviously okay, the Hindenburg created a huge report on Carvana. They're out of business. And what does Carvana most probably do? Exactly. They jump. Okay, so here you can see today they jumped about 10%. Crazy. Okay, here's for example the chart. So you can see here it went up the whole day just like a machine. Okay, like basically every candle was green almost, right? And I think this is like the 5-minute candle. So straight going up and up and up. So you could buy expiring tomorrow, if you want to play the safe way, expiring next week, 250 call for about, as you can see here, 41 cents. Then you hold it, 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 and you 10x your money, 1000% profit from 41 cents to $4.50. Okay, so that happens, and that happens almost every day on the market, and the markets are super exciting, and that's why I love the markets. If you want more, subscribe and like this video. Let me know in the comments what you think, and let's jump into the next one.